Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In today's video, we will discuss further 10 MCQs or the last 10 MCQs of the past paper, which was conducted by Higher Education Department for Subject Specialist and Lecturer Biology. So MCQ number 85 is tropical rainforests are found in the areas where average annual rainfall is. So tropical rainforests are found in regions of tropics where temperature is high and the average rainfall is about 180 to 250 centimeter. So the correct option is option number A, because this is close to the value 180 to 250 centimeter. This is in between this value. MCQ number 86 is phylogenetic relationship can be presented by. So the phylogenetic relationship can be presented through a phylogenetic tree, and this tree is also known as dendrogram. Through dendrogram we can find out the ancestral relationship or phylogenetic relationship. MCQ number 87 is during Krebs cycle direct ATP production per glucose molecule is. Krebs cycle is the second step of aerobic respiration which takes place inside mitochondria. During Krebs cycle, 1 ATP is formed for 1 molecule of pyruvate. As there are 2 molecules of pyruvate formed, so 2 ATP for 2 molecules of pyruvate. So there are 2 ATP molecules formed directly during Krebs cycle. While direct ATP production during the whole respiration is 8 ATP molecules. These are 8 during the whole respiration, during the whole steps, glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. Direct ATP formation are 8 ATP molecules. MCQ number 88 is from the general portion. MCQ number 89 is basic taxonomic unit is called, so the basic taxonomic unit is called species. It is the fundamental unit of classification as well as the unit of biodiversity. MCQ number 90 is how much of globulin is present in human serum. Human serum contains about 8% of globulin present, and it is equal to 2.6 to 3.5 gram per deciliter. 91 MCQ is from the general portion. MCQ number 92 is in the evolution of modern man Homo sapiens from his ancestors, identify the most significant trend. So the most significant trend is increasing cranial capacity. This is the trend in the evolution of modern man or in the evolution of Homo sapiens. The cranial capacity of man is twice as compared to other primates like monkeys, chimpanzees. So the main cranial capacity is 2 times greater than that. MCQ number 93 is when individual somatic cells contains 3 sex chromosomes, this condition is known as super female. They contain an extra copy of the sex chromosome. This condition is referred as super female. This type of female is sterile. Not fertile but sterile. Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, these are also other types of genetic abnormalities. Klinefelter syndrome is also a genetic disorder in which there is an abnormality in the sex chromosome. This takes place in males who have extra X chromosome. So they have characteristics similar to females. Turner syndrome is a syndrome which is found in females, and here we found that 1 X chromosome is missing. As they do not possess another X chromosome, so they have characteristics mostly similar to males. Down syndrome is also known as trisomy 21, and this takes place in autosomes. This is a chromosomal abnormality which takes place in autosomes, not in the sex chromosome. Just like super female, we also have another condition which is super male. The genetics of super male is XYY. This type of male is sterile and is over aggressive. Skill number 94 is totipotency has shown by. So what is totipotency? Totipotency is the ability of a single cell to divide and produce all the differentiated cells in an organism, including extra embryonic tissue. So totipotent cells are formed during sexual as well as asexual reproduction, which includes spores and zygotes. In case of plants, the totipotent cells are found in all types of cells, that is xylem, meristem and core. So correct option is option number D, all of these. MCQ number 95 is silk thread is obtained from silk moth during pupal stage. There are conditions: larval stage, pupal stage and adult stage. So silk thread is formed during pupal stage when larvae feeds on mulberry leaves. They are developed into pupae, and the pupal stage then develops or then forms a silk thread. MCQ number 96 is from the general portion. MCQ number 97 is number of cotyledons in Z maize, Cycas and Pinus individual are. The 2 cotyledons are present in Z maize and Cycas, while many cotyledons are present in Pinus. So correct option is option number C, 2, 2 and many. MCQ number 98 is which one of the following is the first reaction in photorespiration? So the first step in photorespiration is oxygenation. Here is an enzyme involved which is known as RUBP. This RUBP can combine with carbon dioxide. It can also combine with oxygen. So in case of photorespiration, there is a greater availability of oxygen as compared to carbon dioxide. So the RUBP combines with oxygen in the very first step, and this step is known as oxygenation. Okay students, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.